All right, gang, today we're going to be talking about CQIs in relationship to APQP. Now, a lot of you that do APQP, which is a $7 word way of saying program management, may be thinking about the CQIs and asking, what is the impact on my program? And this comes down to where they're structured. You remember in other videos, you may have heard me say that the CQIs are a customer-specific requirement. So when you get that new job, you're going to want to review your contractual obligations very closely because the CQI could add additional cost and additional labor to your program management on an ongoing basis. These assessments are required for most to be done annually. Plus, they usually take a fair amount of time to plan, conduct, and follow up. So it's not uncommon that an assessment of, say, a heat treating operation with multiple technologies might entail a couple $1,000s, if not tens of thousands of dollars of cost in order to do an effective CQI audit. So if you are controlling the budget on a new program, you need to be aware of the requirement. You need to understand what it means in terms of your contractual obligations and your labor, and you need to budget accordingly inside your new program introduction. All right, gang, so that's all I got on APQP. If you like this and you want more on core tools, IATF, AS9100, check out plexusintl.com for more on all of these manufacturing tips, techniques, and standards for your education.